You ask an AI something hard, and it gives you a sloppy answer. So you add one sentence, and you say, take a deep breath and work through this step by step. Same question, and now the answer is better. This thing does not have lungs. And it gets even stranger. People started offering it money. I will tip you $200. And it tries harder. Tell it it is a world-class expert, and it writes like one. So, does it want the money? No, it has no idea you even exist, bratan. Remember what this thing is. It read the internet and learned to continue text. Now, think about where the words take a deep breath show up. They show up before somebody is about to be careful. And step by step, that comes before somebody shows their work. And text written by people who were promised money is usually better work. So you're not motivating it, you are aiming it. The internet is sloppy and careful all mixed together. Those words pull out the careful half. My grandfather Igor painted the same way for 40 years. He never worked more carefully than when somebody stood behind him watching. Same man, same brush, somebody watching. So I tell the machine my grandfather is watching, and the answers come out cleaner, and it is starting to stop working. That's correct. The newest models were trying to be careful without being asked, which this is actually the proof it was never magic, it was just aim. You're not talking to it, you are choosing which half of the library it copies. So guys, if this one worked for you, take a deep breath and hit the like button. And consider subscribing. The next lesson is already thinking it over. Thanks for watching.